Hey everyone, my name is Samarjeet Gupta. I come from the Delhi. Evision give me the good platform to IT profile and good direction to the IT career growth. I have completed 45 days of courses through Evision. I learned a lot of things, skill and knowledge about technology. I have learned about ITIL, CCNA, window estimator, domain joining workgroup, printer configuration. It gives you the good practical you can easily understand through the revision in a practical way. I after completed 45 days courses, I got placed through the revision. I revision staff members and trainers and placement team is very good and supportive. I can say 100% you can do the course revision and get the 100% job in a placement team.